Hi, my name is Mark. I'm one of the developers that helped create Andromo, and I'm going to walk you through some of its features. Andromo allows you to take your existing content from the web and deliver it to your users as an app that they can then install and use on an Android mobile device. Andromo is free to use. You can just go to our website at www.andromo.com and you can sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'll just log in here. And there we go. And when you first sign up, you'll basically be walked through how to get started with Andromo. And you can fill in your profile information. That's more important later on. You can set up your icon. I already have one through a Gravatar here. And step 3 is to start making your first app. So let's do that. The first step is to decide upon a project name. This can be changed anytime later, so it's not the end of the world. But basically, this will be what your end users will see when they launch your app. So for our app, we're going to call it Red Brick Music. And there we go. We've created our project. And as you can see, the app name is set here, so you can go back and change it. You can set the version here. I like 4-digit version numbers, so I'll do that. You can set the category. I'll take news and weather, and this category basically mimics the categories that are available on the Android market. And here's your description, and this is just actually used on the Andromo website. So you don't need to set it up when you first sign up, but I already have some text prepared, so I'll just put it in there. The next is your app icon, and this actually is what your end users will see before they launch your app. So it's just anything you use to make your app yours. This is the default one, but we can change that. So we'll go and select our icon here. There we go. Save the changes. And there we go. Now we've done that. These tabs up here are basically the steps you can follow in order to create your app. We'll skip app ads and extras right now. And styles, this is basically where you can configure the look and feel of your app. Dashboard is the home screen, and this is where you can configure that. Action bar, again, this is about styling and the look and feel of your app. So we're going to skip over all of that right now, and we'll get to the real heart of what your app is, and that is activities. Activities are basically a way of you to deliver your content in individual units to your end users. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a YouTube activity. Now, a YouTube activity basically allows you to deliver YouTube videos in your app. The first thing we'll set is the activity name, and this will be displayed on the dashboard and in the action bar. And it basically tells the user what your activity is all about. And what we're actually going to do is we are going to display our videos by YouTube user ID. So we're going to display some videos that somebody created, and that is their YouTube user ID. So we're going to grab all of their videos and let the users of our app look at them on their device. You can also use a YouTube feed URL here and use the YouTube feed builder in order to design it, but we'll skip over that for now. This is this activity icon. This is what will be displayed on the dashboard for your activity. This is the default one for a YouTube activity, but we'll choose a different one that I already have created here. All right, there we go. Now we'll save our changes, and there you can see we've created one activity. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, I've added a few more activities. We have our 2 YouTube activities and a lot more RSS activities. And these activities basically take RSS or Atom feeds from the web and allow you to display that information to your end users. So let's take a look at our Rolling Stone feed here. Here you can see we set the activity name to be Rolling Stone, and the RSS Atom feed URL points to Rolling Stone's music news and feature feed. It's positioned that's basically that helps decide the order on the dashboard, and here's our activity icon. We don't need to save that, so let's just cancel out. And you can also see that I've configured the action bar to be more in keeping with the name of our app, which is Red Brick Music. So that's basically to style our app. The next step is to build our app. And we just build it by pressing the build button. And here you go, your app is currently being built, and we'll email you when it's ready for download. As you can see, I have a few more projects here that I've been working on as well. Once your application has finished building, you'll receive a success email letting you know that your build has succeeded and providing you with a link to your app and letting you know what to do next. So you can just click on this link here to download your app to your computer and then install it onto your mobile device using the Android Debug Bridge, or you can open this email on your mobile device and install it like that. And that's the next step that I'm going to show you.
Okay, now let's take a look at what the app looks like on the phone. Here's the success email that we got from Andromo. So we'll download the app by clicking on the download link. We'll wait for the download to finish. There it is. It's pretty quick. And here's the APK. So now here's the install screen. We can just accept the permissions. There it goes ahead and installs. And now it asks us if we want to open it. So let's open it up. And here's the finished application on the phone. It's that simple. Now let's take a look at the YouTube video that we first added. There we go. And what's happening right now is the application is querying the YouTube server to get information about the videos that this user has uploaded. And as you can see, we get thumbnails for the videos and a little bit of information letting us know what the videos are about. So let's take a look at this second video here. And the video opens up in the YouTube app. And there it goes. It's playing. Okay. And we can use the action bar here to actually jump between activities. So let's take a look at what the Rolling Stone activity has. Okay, as you can see, this downloaded a lot of information from the Rolling Stone servers. A whole bunch of stories that Rolling Stone's covering and things like that. And there you go. And let's take a look at the 100 greatest Beatles songs. And there you go. You see a little bit of information about the story, a little synopsis, and you can actually click on the link up here and read the full story on the Rolling Stone website. And there it goes. It's slowly downloading it, which you can actually go through and read it. And then click the back button if you want to get back to your app. And if you want, you could even share this information, or click the home button and go home. And there you go. There's the app.